These templates will work on Premiere Pro 2018, 12.1, or above versions. Montserrat font is required for this project. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Let's create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Let's import the Motion Graphics template. Click on this icon to import the template. Place template to the timeline. This template is 4K compatible. To use this in Full HD sequence, scale template by 50%. Select the template to see the edit option. Here you can edit the main text. Here you can change text font. Scale main text here. Let's change the subtext here. Here you can add tracking to the subtext. Change main text and subtext color here. Change fog color here. Export animation. That's it. Thanks for watching.